किसी रोज़ बारिश जो आए, समझ लेना बूंदों में मैं हूँ। सुबह धूप तुमको सताए, तो समझ लेना किरणों में मैं हूँ। समझ लेना किरणों में मैं हूँ।
Hi guys, a very good morning. Well, today I woke up and there are two big windows in my bedroom. Like you can see this one and the other is that one. But can you see anything outside? So this is a very typical rainy day in Meghalaya. All foggy and it's so pretty, like everything is misty and you cannot see through. I don't know how people work here if the days are going to be like this. I don't know. In Assam, even 2 or 3 days it rains heavily. We are like, no, we don't want to work. But here, I've been told that the weather will continue to, stay like this. It will rain and it will be misty. And I'm like, oh my god, we'll work here then. I'll take you through all the views that I'm having right now, which is like no view at all. Let's just take a round. So as you can see, nothing is there visible that side, nothing is visible the other side as well, and I will take you to the front yard and the backyard as well, and you will be like, what is going on? So this is one room, this is my reading corner, and just look at it, look at the view. Nothing. Yeah, so I read here, I take a cup of tea and sit here for some hours. Also, we have used this as a recreational room, like TV is there. There is a study table, but I cannot show you the other side because we are hanging drying clothes there, because you cannot just put it outside. And I will now show you the backyard of the house. It's on rocky, and there is a river, so you will hear the sound of the flow rushing. I did try to do some vegetation, but it's all ruined because of excessive rain. This door opens to the back, and it is very rocky terrain. It's the house is just at a hilltop, and that's why it's all rocky. I have tried to make it green by adding some flowers, so I got those thermocol boxes, a few more, to start a kitchen garden. But the rain is so heavy that I don't think it'll survive. I'm sad, but what to do? I mean, cannot do anything in this weather, and it will stay like that, I think, from now on. I will take you to the front yard now. And that's the front yard. Oh my god. That's our driver's quarter, and look at the visibility. It's still better now, but in the morning, like when I woke up an hour earlier, I could not see the house. I mean, it was that bad.
इस बारिश भरे दिन में एक दिल के बहुत करीब गाने की याद आ गई। उसके लफ्ज़ कुछ ऐसे थे, शायद आपको भी पता होगा। आओगे जब तुम हो सांझना, अंगना फूल खिलेंगे, बरसेगा सावन झूम झूम के, दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे। आओगे जब तुम हो सांझना, अंगना फूल खिलेंगे, नैना तेरे कजरारे हैं, नैनों पे हम दिल हारे हैं, अनजाने ही तेरे नैनों ने वादे किए कई सारे, सांसों की लय मदन चले तो से कहे बरसेगा सावन झूम झूम के। दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे, आओगे जब तुम और साजना, अंगना फूल खिलेंगे। चंदा को ताकू रातों में, है जिंदगी तेरे हाथों में। पलकों पे झिलमिल तारे हैं, आना भरी बरसातों में। सपनों का जहां होगा खिला खिला, बरसेगा सावन झूम झूम के। दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे, ऐसे मिलेंगे।
Let's take a walk in the misty weather of Meghalaya. Oh god, so pretty. The rain has stopped for some time, but will come back. I know. It has been like that since days now. Wow, let me show you around.
Fog on her glasses from the still steaming tea, a book in her hand as she casually reads, a catch in her breath as the climax grows near. She is deaf to the world. The book is all she can hear. She is completely lost now, or perhaps she is found in this strange paper world that is far from the ground. That is far from the ground. A thought for my tea time.
Hey guys, so this is my evening tea time now. I made myself a good cup of tea. I'm going to enjoy my evening now, enjoy the rain. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, a day in Meghalaya, a rainy day in Meghalaya. So yeah, there will be more videos coming up in this series, Living in the Hills with Sampriti. So stay tuned for more such videos of the fun and the struggles and the different weird things that goes around in a hilly place. So yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, do drop a comment about what did you like about this video and what else you would like to see. And until the next video, this is Sampriti signing off. Bye.
So what's happening here is flies that comes out in rainy seasons or just before heavy rains. There's a fly that accumulates around the lights and all. So that is happening in my veranda. Lots and lots of flies are there, and kids from the neighborhood have just arrived and they are picking up all these flies because they are going to go fishing tomorrow, and these are fish food. How amazing is that?